The no signal error on your Sceptre 75 Hz monitor means it's not receiving a video signal from your computer or device. This is one of the most common issues users face. This error often appears as a black screen with a no signal message, or the monitor may enter power saving mode with an orange or amber LED indicator instead of the normal blue or white. The primary causes are usually hardware related, specifically faulty or loose cables. About 70% of no-signal issues stem from connection problems with HDMI, DisplayPort, or VGA cables. Let's start with the first troubleshooting step, checking your cable connections. Ensure all cables are securely plugged into both the monitor and your device. Step 2. Use your monitor's buttons to manually cycle through each input source. Check HDMI 1, HDMI 2, DisplayPort, and VGA, pausing for 10 to 15 seconds on each to allow the monitor to detect a signal. If that doesn't work, try power cycling. First, disconnect all cables from the monitor, then unplug it from the power outlet for 30 seconds. Reconnect everything, power on your computer first, then the monitor. These 3 steps resolve the majority of no-signal issues. Check connections first, cycle through input sources, and if needed, perform a complete power cycle. This systematic approach will solve most connection problems quickly. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced solutions are needed. First, update your graphics drivers to the latest version from NVIDIA or AMD. For best results, perform a clean installation using Display Driver Uninstaller, or DDU, to completely remove old drivers and avoid conflicts. Next, optimize your resolution and refresh rate settings. Start with a standard 1920 by 1080 resolution at 60 Hz to establish a stable connection. Once a stable signal is established, gradually increase to 75 Hz. Use your graphics control panel to create custom resolutions if the standard options don't work. Test different ports on both your monitor and graphics card. Try alternative connection types like HDMI versus DisplayPort to find the most compatible option. If problems persist, the issue might be hardware related. Access your monitor's built-in test patterns if available, or perform a factory reset through the on-screen display menu. For newer monitors with USB-C connections, ensure your cable is certified and supports proper power delivery. Also, try temporarily disabling adaptive sync or FreeSync, as these features can sometimes interfere with signal detection.